Today I'm going to be opening these and showing you my L.O.Ls. First I'm going to be opening the small one. Throw some garbage in. It's clear. See it?
Yeah, that's cool.
I bet that one's like it too. Whoa, look at this clear one. Here. And then I'm gonna try to open this. It looks like glass. Isn't it? Is it? Look, I got a clear. Let's see what I got. And then I got some wrapping. Here. So, I don't know what this, but I'm gonna save it. And I got stickers. And, so let me open the small one. So I think it's the shoe. Or maybe a bottle. Oh no, glasses. So I got some star glasses. Here you go. Garbage. And I even got Look guys. I got a little soft puppy. So I got some glasses and a puppy. Maybe it's a purse. It's so cute. I think it's this one. Oh yeah, I got it, a little purse. I think it's for a L.O.L doll, but maybe it's in this one. Maybe it's in the big one. You just feel, shake. Okay, so we're gonna put a little thing in here before. Okay, let me put the glass. Okay, shoot, her pom-poms are too big. Let me put the glasses in there too. And there's the bag. So here you go. Wait, so that's my first one, the puppy that I got. I'll put it. Oh, and I got another puppy too. So I'll show you that after item. Second item, I'm gonna do this because this is the big one. So I'm just gonna go through. I got it this time. Bit hard to open. And I can even see this girl too. Look, Leah. So, where's the other wrapping? Okay, I got stickers. This is the one that I like, stickers. And then, it's so hard to open here, Abby. Okay, so the next wrapping, there's like 3 wrappings. This is clear too, guys. I'll show you. It's clear and there's blue at the back. So I'm gonna try to open this myself now. Wrapping on the blue and the clear. There's so much wrapping. Wow. Now I can open it properly. I got another one here. I got these packages. I really like it. So let's see what I got in the first bag. Some shiny glasses. Then I got this water bottle. And then the next one, the doll is the last one, it looks like. I think these are the shoes. Sparkly shoes. And they're big. I'll try after, maybe. And then I got enough. Then the next one is... Oh, I already got this girl. Oh no. This is with the, I have another one, but it's not with the skirt.
Show the other one.
Oh, my other one is this. It's the same thing, but without the pants or skirt. I think it's here. Let me go on it now. But this one's special to me. Pretty sure it's... Oh, this girl. I'm pretty sure it's this girl right here. And then let's see that girl. She's doing the splits. Okay, let me get the water bottle and adjust her. Even she has hair that's coming out her head. So I'm gonna have to put on her clothes. I have more clothes for her if I lose this one, so. But I don't, if I lose the skirt, then I'll just wear regular pants or any pants. I put the skirts on. She looks so nice. And then I'm gonna put her glasses on. And then I'm gonna put on her shoes, and then I'm gonna put her water bottle in her mouth. Here's the girl's glasses. That's how she looks with the water bottle. So hard to open. Let's see. It's clear again. Yeah, they're all
get all the
clear.
special ones.
I don't know, my mom got it. It was a surprise to make me do a video, so. Do you hear that? It sounded like metal. There's glitter inside. Let me just get all the packages out and stuff. There you go. So, and then I got, go with this one. I'll just go show them the what. This is a sparkly girl. What girl is it? Hold up. Oh, my hair's in the way. I got it taken. Okay, here. Hey! Super. Oh, this girl. I know. No, wait. No. I'm gonna just go under and come see you guys. Sorry, guys. Woo! So, I got this boot. The other bag, the medium bag. The clothes. I got the girls that I would like. Let's show them the girls. The big head. I can feel the big head. Look at her hair. Oh my god. I'm gonna faint. Yeah, I'm gonna faint. And she had bubble gum or something in her mouth? Wait. There's glitter in her hair. So they can see properly. So, since I'm done unpackaging, I will be dressing up the L.O.Ls. So, let me do the boy. Help. Remember my Auntie Leah? Yeah, the hands are... Okay, so I'm coming. So, I'm just gonna go under. don't have shoes for him, but this is how he looks. I'm gonna go back though. Let's see what clothes I'm gonna give her. Give her these clothes. Just put the hands closed so it's not hard. I got this close. So I'm done with that girl. I'm pretty sure I'll get this. Yeah, I'll show you after. Okay, so let me just. So it says it's pink and the whole thing is white, and there's black skeleton on it. I'm back. That's what this girl will be wearing today. This girl. So, let's see. She can wear these. So, let me choose. It's all gray and little tie and 2 hearts. Help, right girl, that she wears. And it's so tiny. So I'm gonna come now, right now, coming. I'm back. And then this is what I got from the girl's outfit. The next one is this girl. And then now I'm coming. She has little glasses. And then now this girl forms. So I probably will get this. It's so cute. Now for this girl, maybe, yeah, I'll get her a bottle. So I'll show you what she got this bottle. So let me just put it in her mouth. Now that's how she looks. Okay, so now I'm starting off with this girl. I don't know. Okay, I'll show you after. So maybe this and it. Yeah, she looks crazy. Okay, so I gave her. Come in. That was so easy. Okay, so I got this hat. Oh my god. Yep. Oh, I'm pretty sure I'll get her. I already used that one, didn't I? Oh. It's this. Wait, let me put on the pants. So, it's this little skirt. Okay. Yep, and I'm gonna give her a bottle. So, let's give her a pink bottle. So this is, oh yeah. So I already showed the doll. Now I got this bottle. And then let me just try to put it in her mouth and cut it. Okay, now, okay, so that's, and then the second one is this girl. Got that one on, and I'm trying to get the pants on it. Oh, she's so cute. So I got this one, and I got this bottle. So let me just, did it. Okay. Okay. So the next girl I'll show you, but hold on. Here, I didn't know how to put on the pants, but the shirts. Oh, it's so cute. How'd you do that? That's what the girl's for. So I got that. Oh yeah, so I got, yeah. Go show them this shit. It doesn't. I hope you guys like it. Okay, no, take the, oh, you took the girl. So, I'm just gonna put the pants on first, because it's easier. Okay, got it. Did I put on these white shoes for the other girl? Oh yeah, these don't match, but I don't care, so. Oh, now it's not. Here, you can. Gosh. Where'd you put the other girl? Oh, two girls? Yeah, you can put them. Yeah, really? That's my. Okay, I'm not supposed to tell you. So this girl. So you guys can see me. Now put on the shirt when I. No, these don't match, but these match. So I'm gonna just put the water things away. These actually match, but without the lines, right? Okay, go show them. And then I'll pick maybe some shoes on this girl because she asked for shoes. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And then let me just. I'll show them. I'll get her this one bottle. Yeah, so I got, and I'll get her a water bottle. Wait, I'll give the last girl a purse actually. So, yeah, and then now it's time for this girl, the last girl. You can put on the shoes. Shirt, I mean. And how maybe you can take it out? She actually can take it out. Told you that I'm gonna put on your glasses. You have holes in your ears. Okay, so you can go, oh yeah, show them and give a purse. Purse on. Put the water bottle in too. This girl needs a purse too. Yeah, here you go. And this girl needs her shoes. And then that's it. Okay, and then the final, I'll tell you what one I like. Which one I like. So the final one I like is, ready? Let me see which one I like. I got that one, and
my favorite one is this one. I'll just tell you guys,
bye guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.